Hello, hello! Welcome to Make It Yourself Monday. I am going to be showing you today how I make my sweet and sassy hair. If you've never joined us for Make It Yourself Monday, excuse me, a bug flew in my throat. Excuse me one more second. Anyway, if you've never joined it for Make It Yourself Monday, I promise bugs don't do that all the time. What I do is I show you a DIY thing that you can do at home. That is basically just an easy DIY version with Young Living oils that you can do, and it's just an easy way to get chemicals out of your home, a way to start swapping things. Plus you can make it yourself. You can see all the ingredients, you know what's in it, and it's funny that I ran out of this, and as you can tell I've got my hair in a bandana, so this is why you need this. It smells amazing, it makes you feel amazing, it's super easy to do, and it's not like a hairspray, it's basically just like a volumizer. I know when you're going chemical free it's kind of hard with the hair products because everything is loaded up and you still want to have something, and what I like to do with this is just spray it and kind of rub my hair around when I use it, and it just gives you a little bit more volume, a little more just something going on. So what I do is I take some witch hazel, and this is the one that I use for everything. I'm almost out. So it's basically an alcohol-free witch hazel. I use this for face toner, pretty much everything. A lot of stuff I make DIY. So all you're going to do, I've got a 4-ounce spray bottle here. You can get these on Amazon. There's several bulk places that you can get them online. I almost just have enough for this bottle. This is basically like an astringent, but an alcohol-free one, so it's a really good natural astringent. So then you're just going to fill most of it up with the witch hazel, and then the oils I'm going to use are lavender, lemon, cedarwood. Cedarwood is great for hair growth. If you're trying to grow your hair out. And then I'm going to use a little bit of geranium just because it smells really good. If you have oily hair, you probably don't need to use this. It's more for dry hair. Lavender is just good for anything in general, for your skin or your hair. It just takes care of it, makes it really nice. I only wash my hair a couple times a week, and using this spray and using lavender in my homemade shampoo just makes my hair super soft and shiny, and I really love it. So then I'm going to do about 8 to 10 drops of lavender. It's not an exact science, but around that. And then lemon, I'm going to do, let's see what I usually do. Okay, so about 7 drops of lemon. And what lemon does is it's really good for the scalp. So if you have itchy scalp, if you just have dry skin, really bad dry skin on your hair gets kind of dry, lemon is just really good for that. And it's also good for the opposite too. It's good for greasy. If you're naturally prone to greasy hair, it's really good to cut down on grease. So then I'm going to do cedarwood. I think I usually do 6 drops of cedarwood. Again, cedarwood is really good for hair growth and just volumizing it. Another good one to put in your DIY shampoo. And then I'm just going to add a drop of geranium. Geranium smells amazing. It is like spring in a bottle. And I usually don't have very dry hair, but I just really like geranium and I like the way it smells. So, shake it up. So that's it. And all I do is, I mean, normally without a bandana, but I just kind of spray. And then you just kind of rub it through. You can do it when it's damp or when it's dry. Obviously I have short hair, so for me it just kind of gives it more oomph instead of just like laying flat on my head. And then if you have long hair, just spray kind of around down and just kind of rough it around, and you'll be surprised, like when you start using it, you might not notice it at first, but if you use it for like a week or two, it's crazy because you just don't need to style it as much anymore. Like you spray it and it will start actually kind of holding up itself, even though it's not a gel or anything. So it's a really good chemical-free option for a lot of different hair products. So I hope you guys try it if you've never tried it before. Again, if you have any ideas for Make It Yourself Monday, what you would like to see, comment and let me know. If you know any women who would like to try this, share the video. Thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great week. Bye.